Welcome everyone. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is going to assist you in learning how to use the DeFi hub to acquire other cryptocurrencies that are applicable with the APA network. So what you want to do is go to dionyx.us. Once you go into dionyx.us, go ahead and register for the premium membership. This will help you so that when you log in, you'll have full access to the website. It'll be $20 per month at this time. Prices may change during the year, but once you do that, you click on DeFi Hub. Once you click on DeFi Hub, it's now going to give you a category of different type of ACAs that you can utilize to exchange. So for instance, right now, we are using Algorand to USDC. And basically with this, when you connect your wallet, so let's go ahead and connect it, pair a wallet. Go ahead and approve your account. Okay, let's make sure the account is connected. It is. So now that it's connected, you could go ahead and put in the amount that you want. Once you put in the amount, you can swap the amount. So let's say I want $1. So in this case, this will be 5 Algorand, and since it's 5 Algorand, this will enable me to directly have the amount needed in order to have the swap going. And with the additional details, it tells you how much everything will cost. Now let's go and check out one of the other ASA tokens. For instance, let's go to Cometa. All right, we're in Cometa. So same procedure, log in, make sure you're paired with your account, specifically your wallet. Well, now let's put in, let's say 1 Cometa, which is 10 cents. Now you can go ahead and swap it. And again, you can look at the price and fees, and this will assist you in terms of how much you're spending. With that said, thank you again for watching this video. This was a quick tutorial, and I want you to have a great day.